To plug in, point the connector at your car and press here to open the charge port. You can also open it from the touchscreen, phone key, by pressing and holding the fob's trunk button, or by pressing on the charge port door. The charge port illuminates in white, indicating that your car is ready to charge. Firmly plug the connector into the charge port, and it will first turn blue to show that the car is preparing to charge, and then to a green pulse to indicate that it's charging. The green light pulses slower as charging approaches completion and turns to solid green when charging is done. When you press and hold the connector button to unplug, the light will turn blue and then white. Once it's white, simply remove the connector and then release the button. An amber charge port means that the connector isn't latched and likely isn't plugged in all the way. Try unplugging and plugging back in more firmly. Red indicates that there's a fault. Check your displays for a fault message.